If you're living in a region like Peel, where more than 600 new cases are reported day after day for weeks, or in Alberta, where hospitalizations are rising to crisis levels, it's hard to see light at the end of the tunnel. Restrictions remain necessary, but vaccines may be starting to turn the tide.
To see something like this really does provide that, shimmering light at the end of the tunnel.
In hotspots like Peel, the lineups are long as more vaccine clinics pop up, and now anyone over 18 is eligible to book an appointment.
People are locked up, so having the vaccine in place definitely adds some ease and peace of mind to the communities.
The numbers by age groups demonstrate the impact vaccines are already having. Since December, in Ontario, the percentage of people who received at least one dose has risen steadily by age group to more than 80% of those over aged 80 who've received a shot. Over the same 4 months, the number of COVID cases have fallen off dramatically, the older the age group. A sign that vaccines are making a big difference.
There is something profound about taking these vaccines to protect yourself, and I think this data is showing it.
The influx of more than 2 million doses a week this month is energizing provinces to expand their programs. Quebec will join other provinces to give first shots to 12 to 17-year-olds before the end of the school year, even issuing a challenge to young people.
I think they want to see their friends, and the best way to do it is to get vaccinated. Please, show older people that you are better than we are.
It is incredibly encouraging to see our immunizations going up and our rates of transmission ever so slowly bending down.
It doesn't mean lockdowns are finished yet. Ontario health officials don't expect much to open up before the end of May.
We don't want to open prematurely and end up with a fourth wave. That is the last thing we need.
But even in Peel, where the pandemic has been so difficult, there is a sense of purpose.
Everybody should get vaccinated to get this country back where it was before.
I think everywhere across the country, I think there's new energy and there's new optimism.
Optimism that is building with the arrival of each new shipment of vaccines. Eric Sorensen, Global News, Toronto.